autograph.
Don't I got a lobster, huh?
Don't drop the fucking lobster.
How do I do it? Show me how to do it.
Alright,
See, lobster,
what are you doing?
shotgun.
What are you doing? Wait, everybody's got to be in the water. Everybody's got to be in the water for this. Some of them.
I'm doing it. That's like a double, bro.
I thought we were all doing it. We're in the water. I'm in the water.
Ow! You gotta get in the water. Sadly.
Really?
Rookies.
Alright.
How do I do it? Hey!
What are we doing?
Lobster fight, what?
Hey, what?
That's my first time. I don't know what I'm doing.
You got to hit.
I'm going to
You got to hit Wendy?
Alright, everybody around doing it.
1, 2. What do I do? Hang on.
Don't.
What do I do?
What do you mean?
What?
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, take your lobster upside down.
Hey!
Upside down, baby. Upside down. There you go.
Damn it, I can't open it. God, that's creepy. I can't even eat this thing now.
That's what I need to put a corn dog. Like, I'm gonna fucking right there.
That's fucking embarrassing.
Can I fuck your lobster too?
Yeah, that's fucking
Have a drink, bastard. Feed that motherfucker. Get you some.
Let's let me get that.
Did you get it?
No, she didn't.
Get out of there, Rick. Get out of there. Ow, you motherfucker.
That's the picture right there.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Everything we got out of the bag. This is like a 3.5, maybe 4 inch carrot. Everything you got out of the bag was like a 5, 6 inch carrot. That's actually very cheap. Here.